Hi, I'm Selena from Blake's, and today we're going to make a DIY mask. A lot of you are at home and need a mask to go outside. If you have an old t-shirt, that's all you need. All you're going to need is a tape measure, some thread, some scissors, a marker, some pins, and a needle. So first, you're going to measure your head right in the middle to your upper lip, and then just hold it with your finger. That's about 22. You're going to measure from the tip of your nose to your collarbone, and that's about 11. So the 11 measurement is the short length, and the 22 measurement is your long length. So first, go from the bottom of your shirt and measure 22, and then from those markings, go down 11 on both sides. And then you're going to cut. You just want to connect the dots with your scissors. And then once you've cut out your rectangle, you can get rid of this fabric. You won't need it. And then you have your two rectangles. You're going to keep it aligned. Grab some pins. I like to pin the corners. I like to do all four corners and then one in between on the two long edges. Then what you're going to do is you're going to sew from one corner to the other corner on your long edges. So the top one and the bottom one. Then you're going to want to grab your needle, and this is the hard part. You're going to have to thread your needle. Grab some thread. You can always put more on if you don't have enough. And then you're going to thread your needle. Pull it all the way through, double it over, and then tie a knot at the bottom. I like to double knot this just in case, because this is what's going to keep your thread in place when you make that first stitch. Go through the bottom of the fabric to the top, pull your thread all the way through until you feel that knot hit, and then just start sewing. I'm going to tie a knot, this. So you have both long edges sewn. Now we're going to flip it inside out. We're going to take the two short edges and we're going to put those together. So now you have 4 layers of fabric on one side, like that. And then pin it on both edges, like that. And then for your final edge, you can go in through the bottom. This is a little tough because you've got 4 layers of fabric, out through the top, and then just around, over and over again. All the way to the end. And then you're gonna knot this one too. Give it a double knot and trim that. Take out your pins. Then you're done. There's your mask. You want to turn it inside out so you hide that seam. You're going to put it over your head. You can wear it as a scarf. And then when you go into buildings or public places, you just pull it right up above your nose. There you go.